Let's see how long this car lasts. D350 Land Rover Defender 110, HSE, X-Dynamic, in black, with cloud interior, which is the new, very desirable interior, with wide arch kit, with 22-inch wheels, with air suspension, and with an electric deployable Towbar. Full black exterior pack. It's just going to sell instantly because someone will be out there, they'll want the D350, they'll want the cloud interior, but then this has got over and above, so it's got a great look to it. It's all colour-coded in black, so the inserts, the badging, everything. It's got the best headlights with it being a HSE. Wide arches, all in black, beautiful. Upgraded 22-inch wheels, again a big option. They're a £3,000 option. Mudflaps, side steps, privacy glass, you can see. You've got your sliding roof. It's a 74 plate, it's done just about 10,000 miles. You've got Land Rover warranted till the end of 2027. Spare wheel covering, black, all colour coded. It just looks superb. Air suspension's the big one as well. So not only have you got the D350 engine, it's got the air suspension, so it drives superb. I'll show you in the back first. It's all keyless entry. Press the button. And then what about this cloud? So it's only over the last 12 months you can actually put cloud in a Defender. And I think it's superb, certainly against a black car on the exterior. So we've got cloud leather. You've got the best leather with it being a HSE. So you've got the quilted leather, heated and cooled in the front, and then heated in the rear. Sliding sunroof, Meridian sound system, ambient lighting, and then into the front again. It's a facelift model, and I'll show you why as well. Memory seats, Meridian surround sound, so it's got the upgrade sound system, heated steering wheel, it's got cold climate pack, adaptive cruise control, start the car up. Wireless charging, you can see the new positioning of the centre section, but it's all in cloud, so it works really well. Air suspension button there as well. Tilt and sliding sunroof, you can see that. And then you've got all your other extras. Look at the specs. So there's your air suspension button. I've spoke about the seat, heated and cooled. Then you've got your fantastic surround camera system. So I'll just show you. Look at that. Then you've got towing assist with having the electric deployable Towbar, so you can put that out from the front and do it from the back, which I'll show you. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, multimedia, Alexa driver assistance. It's as good as you can get if you want a 110. And it's the little subtle features, things like the wide arches, the 22s, which just make it look that much better than the other cars out there. I'll show you in the boot. Defenders are very popular because they've got lots of space, lots of boot space, lots of room in the back. And as you can see, look at that, them seats go down, and then you've got two important extras, the air suspension button from the back and your electric deployable Towbar there as well. It's priced at $78,990. Do your research, look at the other cars around about that price range. They're all just standard looking cars. This car's got the spec, it's got the interior, it's going to go live. Give us a call.